In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share your screen in Zoom, including all the advanced options and best practices specific to your device and role. Whether you're a host or a participant, we'll cover everything you need to know to make your Zoom meetings more effective. Let's dive right in. Once you're in a Zoom meeting, you'll find a green Share Screen button located on the toolbar at the bottom of your screen. If you prefer using keyboard shortcuts, press Alt+S on Windows or Command+Shift+S on a Mac. A window will pop up with various options for you to choose from. You can opt to share your entire screen, a specific application window, a particular portion of your screen, or even a whiteboard. For those on desktops, there's an option to share a second camera source, which is especially useful in a more formal presentation setting. Now, if you're planning to share a video or any content with sound, make sure you check a couple of additional settings. You should select the option to share computer sound so that all participants can hear the audio. If you're playing a video clip, optimize for full-screen video playback as well. Once you're ready, hit the share button to commence sharing. As soon as you start sharing your screen, a new toolbar will appear at the top. This one offers numerous controls, including options to pause, annotate, initiate a new share, or stop share when you've finished. Now, moving on to hosts who might want to allow other participants to share their screens. There's a straightforward way to set this up. Click the small upward arrow next to the Share Screen button to access advanced sharing options. Under the section titled Who Can Share, you have the choice to select All Participants. This enables everyone in the meeting to share their screens when needed. You can also adjust other settings here, like whether you want to allow one or multiple concurrent shares and who can interrupt others' screen share. Alternatively, for a quicker adjustment, you can simply click on the security icon, a handy shortcut on your toolbar, and check that Share Screen is enabled for participants. If you'd like to implement these settings as the default for all future meetings, head over to your Zoom web portal. Under Settings, navigate to the In-Meeting Basics section and enable screen sharing. From there, select All Participants to grant universal screen sharing permissions. Lastly, a little tip. You can use the Ask All to Unmute feature if you need participants to interact vocally during the meeting. This feature can really streamline the discussion and make your meetings run more smoothly. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to screen sharing on Zoom, tailored for both individual and group needs. Follow these steps to ensure a seamless presentation experience every time.